Are you considering getting a job in the metaverse, or are you just curious about the jobs of the future? Either way, this video got you covered. We'll show you jobs you can do in the metaverse or around the metaverse world and earn some cool cash for yourself and your avatar. So let's get into it. Number 10, augmented and virtual reality engineers. This is based on the groundwork in building the metaverse. With the metaverse and new technological developments, demand for AR and VR engineers is rising rapidly, and that's just the beginning. This means that there will be lots of new capable software and platforms needed precisely for metaverse to be designed with the help of AR and VR software engineers. There is a lot of money to be made in this field. The only drawback is you will need extensive tech knowledge and experience. Number 9, Metaverse hardware engineers. The existing VR devices are not exactly fit for long-term comfort. While they're fun to game with, they're not something you can wear, for example, during an 8-hour workday. As such, Metaverse hardware engineers will be essential in replicating the real-world experience in virtual reality. In such, lots of extremely interesting VR devices are already being created, some of which include VR 360-degree treadmills, VR haptic feedback gloves and suits, and so much more. Number 8, CVO, Chief Virtual Officer. Chief Virtual Officers, or CVOs, will be executives with experience and understanding of virtual realities. Their main responsibility will be to advise companies on how to best present their brand in virtual reality. A great example of how companies will make a profit off virtual products is Gucci, who already sold their first handbag to Roblox, which is an online gaming platform, for $4,000. This role will require extensive executive experience, leadership skills, and a very strong understanding of virtual reality and the digital ecosystem as a whole. And companies are paying top money to get someone perfect for that role so as to help the company thrive in the metaverse. Number 7, Metaverse World Builders. Since a metaverse will technically be a living, breathing world, someone will end up getting a job of actually designing what the world will look like. Everything from virtual reality architecture to how your virtual persona is going to look will have to be designed. Different from architects in real life, virtual reality world builders won't have any limitations of physics or reality, so this job will truly allow imaginations to be unleashed. This is already in existence with Minecraft. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. Number 6, Metaverse World Planners. The metaverse will be a world mirroring our own. In this case, there will be tons of details to plan out. From the smallest things like creating avatars to bigger needs like the rules of using Metaverse as a platform for your business, it will all need extensive planning. Metaverse World Planners will come up with detailed strategies for creating and using functionalities for companies in this virtual world. This will be a perfect job for people with experience in managing software projects. If you play GTA 5 online, you already have an idea of what we mean. Number 5, Metaverse Cybersecurity. To protect virtual reality from cyber attacks, data leaks, cyber threats, and other similar issues, Metaverse will need the next level of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity experts in Metaverse will work in real time to protect the system from attacks. They will be detecting, assessing, and preventing frauds, theft, and breaches to confidential data. This new career won't simply involve following safety protocols, but also creating new applications and systems to help ensure the metaverse is safe. Number 4, Metaverse Lawyers. Metaverse law is already moving quickly as an industry due to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, becoming popular in 2022. In the metaverse, there will be new types of asset classes, which in turn will require new laws to govern how to buy, sell, and manage them. Digital art copyright, trademark laws, tax laws on digital assets, and many more topics will need to be legally reassessed to protect the rights of artists, companies, and just ordinary Metaverse users. It's almost certain that there will be lawyers specializing in Metaverse law to protect their clients' rights, assets, companies, intellectual properties, and more. Though we don't know which law school you would have to go to practice law in the Metaverse. If you have an idea, let us know in the comments. Number 3. Metaverse Marketer. Just like marketers are specializing in social media advertising, there will also be marketers who work exclusively with ads in the Metaverse. Every brand needs to advertise its products and execute marketing strategies online and offline to stay in the game and make a profit. Same with Metaverse. Brands like Nike and Disney are already planning to enter the Metaverse world as pioneers, and they'll need experts who specialize in Metaverse marketing to help them present their brand in the virtual world. Number 2. Annuitants. Users with lots of land in one or more virtual worlds won't have time to populate them, so many will likely end up leasing them to other users for a fee or share of the profits. Depending on the type of platform, the space can be used to host events, build virtual homes, galleries, or even games. Number 1. Storytellers. Storytellers also stand to benefit from the evolution of the Metaverse. Unlike today's video game writers, storytellers in the Metaverse will operate at a higher level and will be responsible for crafting a compelling immersive storyline for various genres of games and experience, including social, action, sports, simulation, puzzle, role-playing, educational, or training. For example, with music events taking place within the game, Fortnite and Minecraft have transformed into something more than a game. Also, because storytellers work alongside the programmer, game designer, and developer to create a look and feel of a video game, having a basic understanding of game development, design, and programming can help you craft better narratives in the Metaverse and beyond. Metaverse is already here, creating and expanding humans' understanding of virtual reality. New jobs and professions are already created, and yet it's just the beginning. Metaverse will create endless opportunities for everyone around the world to find a source of income and improve their lives. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.